Experiencing Netflix login failures or weak signals on your Spectrum cable box? You're not alone. These are common issues, often stemming from software glitches or network congestion. First, ensure your Netflix account is active and that you have a stable internet connection. On your Spectrum box, use the remote to navigate to the Netflix app and try re-authenticating. If that doesn't work, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then reconnecting. For signal problems causing pixelation or freezing, check your coaxial cable connection to ensure it's secure. You can also check your signal strength via the box's diagnostic menu, usually under Settings. Ideal signal strength is between -5 and +5 dBmV. If your signal is weak, consider contacting Spectrum support. HDMI issues, like no display or audio glitches, often result from loose connections or incompatible settings. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the cable box and your TV. Ideally, use an HDMI 2.0 cable or higher for optimal performance. Check your Spectrum box's output resolution and ensure it matches your TV's capabilities, 4K if supported. If problems persist, try a different HDMI port or cable. For buffering issues, especially during peak hours, test your internet speed via the cable box or a connected device. Netflix recommends at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming. Finally, clear the Netflix app's cache or reinstall it if available. You can usually find this option under Settings, Apps, Netflix, Clear Data. If all else fails, Spectrum's AI-powered troubleshooting tool, available via their app or website, can auto-detect and suggest fixes.